about my journey during delivery, I was exhausted because I had labors more than 30 hours. So I was really, really exhausted after taking an epidural. And it was actually, I think he was very resistant of giving me an epidural. But I thought if I don't take an epidural and I don't get a breather for 2 hours or 2.5 hours, I might not be able to deliver normally. So I think that was the decision that, in your session also, I could relate that you will say that it's my body, I want to take epidural, I want that. And these were the lines that I, told him. It's my body, I am not able to bear the pain, I need epidural. Even if it's for 2 hours, I need that. So then we took that decision and I took the epidural, and I think that was actually that went into our favor, and that is the only reason I was able to deliver normally. When he pooped inside and the doctor called you,
I was like sure that you have to deliver normally, because once baby has pooped and you were progressing so well, and I knew that if baby comes out through birth canal, the whole poop and everything would be squeezed and would be out of baby's system. And that is why I wanted that you should deliver normally, even if baby has pooped, because your findings were very good.
Yeah, that time I was not aware of all of these facts, but later on he told me, the doctor told that you were, he was also supportive, his heartbeat was
Even she was progressing so
and I
well
was
throughout
progressing well.
the kind of support she herself, the pain she took, and like she was throughout very calm. Although she was in labor, but then it was next level. I can't. Sometimes I really get goosebumps.
Hearing people's, I was hearing ladies' voices and noises outside, and I was getting panicked. कि वो इतना दर्द होगा क्या? I mean, मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है, but I'm, enduring it. But then इतना pain होगा तो I might not be. Then I shut the door and I was like, I don't want to listen to all of these noises.
But not after normal delivery. What do you feel? Like you have forgotten the pain? Do you feel that it was for good?
It was for good, definitely. If I talk to people, and there have been, few people in my circle who have delivered in the same time, approximately, and I'm the only one who have delivered normally.
Congratulations.
And else, everybody, even my massage lady who comes to massage me, she tells me कि दीदी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, आपने नॉर्मल डिलीवरी करा लिया. मैंने उनसे पूछा कि आप सबके घर जाती हो कितने का नॉर्मल?
She is going for 7 to 8 massages in a day, and out of 8 massages, she is the only one who delivered naturally.
And
wow, you should get medal.
And I told मैंने यश को ये बोला, I need to, this is a lifetime achievement. I want to put it in my resume. That okay, I have delivered normally. Although I did not have that pressure to deliver normally, but I wanted, because I've heard from my mothers and everybody around that okay, if you deliver normally, you recover faster. But rest, of course, if he had pooped inside, if we had to go for C-section, I couldn't have helped, or you couldn't have helped that situation. But thanks to you, मेरे doctor ने आके, I think I was conscious that time when she told नहीं doctor उन्होंने बोला है कि we will deliver normally and it can happen. You are anyways much dilated, तो वो हो जाएगा, but you just have 2-3 hours. उसके बाद we have to do the C-section, and for safer side we book the OT also. In case I lose my patience or something happens, we have the option of delivering for a C-section.